Hello everyone, my name is Alex. Right now I'm in the city of Davao on the island of Mindanao in the Philippines. Today I plan to meet my friends Boris and Darlin to go on an exciting trip to the wild waterfalls. We are going to have an amazing adventure. Join me and enjoy this unforgettable experience with me.
Так, привет, друзья. Хотел сказать, разница в ценах для... Мы тут закупились едой в таком вот месте для местных. Это же для местных, правильно? Да. Вот. И вышло 390 песо на троих людей. Это прям очень дешево. В любом туристическом месте это бы стоило раз 4, наверное, дороже, если не больше.
Да, здесь вот есть суп, много мяса.
Да, и это халяль, да? Закус халяль. What's funny in Philippines, everywhere, every small far village will have area for playing in volleyball and basketball, and it's funny because it's these two sports, the most famous, the most interesting for Philippines, and in both sports you need to have a good haze, and yeah, the Philippines doesn't have it. Yeah, but they really respect it, and as you see, it's carrying with respect, with love. Yeah, this place, and so I suppose it's the best place in this village. Yeah, it's cool.
So, and you can be sure that this place, people use it in almost all time for playing sports. They have some leagues, kids leagues, school leagues, uni leagues, any leagues, leagues, any leagues. It's elementary school, I think.
Going on waterfalls. Oh, how about snakes?
Snakes?
Snakes, yeah. I'm always afraid there are snakes.
We've never seen snakes here,
Oh, yeah. It's good.
and we have something for snake bite. If snake bite comes.
I hope we don't need it.
I hope so too.
I know that snakes is not the better part. It's not aggressive.
Yeah.
So it's neat. If you're careful, you will never. Snake will never bite you, except maybe a couple of type of snakes who aggressive.
I was actually bitten by snakes before.
I know about some experiment. One guy, he spent 72 hours in a box with full poison snakes, like 100 snakes inside, just for proof. This thesis that if you will be not aggressive, snakes don't bite you.
Yeah.
Waterfalls without tourists. It's the best part of any country. Oh, хорошо. Oh, it's so good. But it's so nice for my legs.
Yeah.
I feel cold.
Cold water.
Yeah. You know, it's most important that your legs will be cold. Then you doesn't feel hot. So, oh, I will stay. I will live there.
This is gomamela. Like we put gomamela and then soap, like detergent and like that.
упали сверху. Много их на земле.
Wow.
Yeah?
Can I?
Такие
Mm.
интересные.
Да.
Очень приятный запах.
Да, очень.
Our destination, it's Waterfalls. We are already there, and yeah, it's no tourists as you see, and it's very nice, close at Waterfalls. What visit mostly just local people. The most beautiful part of this road, you all time need to cross the river, and the water inside, you know, not it's colder than air, but not so cold, and it's very comfortable. You can just stay. Yeah, it's feel amazing.
О, прям прислоняйся.
Массаж. О, кайф. Реально массаж.
Реально.
Мне нужен массаж. А то я маленький байк, вечно сгорбившись сижу в нем. О. Я в такой воде могу, не знаю, наверное, сутки провести, мне ничего не будет. Аж теплое. И градусов, не знаю, 20 с чем-то.
А Дарлин мерзнет.
Ну, филиппинка местная. У меня мама приехала в Германию, говорит, ходит, ей жарко, раздетые, все одеты ходят. Так и здесь. На самом деле вода, не знаю, градусов 20. Ну ладно, я не термометр, не могу сказать. Но высокая температура. Ну то есть вообще прохладно. Наверное, 20, между 20 и 24, я бы так сказал.
Bum. Like professional. Just one
Ты
hit.
перемешал, да? Перемешай там.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I don't try it
Yeah.
before. The liquid is nice. This I don't know what is this. Not so nice. Yeah, it's very different, interesting, tasty.
It's
Like a bit.
strange.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
yeah, very like you think what is it?
But it's the first time he tasted it. It's like,
Yeah,
"Oh,
first time maybe I even didn't like.
Yeah.
But it feel like coffee. Yeah. Mm-hmm. But you get this stuff with
Yeah,
tea.
I with tea.
Okay. Yeah, but it's nice. It's nice tasty. Just a bit strange because it's oh my god, как сказать, слизкие такие немножко.
Да, какой-то желатин какой, или
Yeah.
что-то там
Да,
такое.
да.
Вот там какие-то эти шарики, такие желатинистые.
I understand. You just need to swallow it. Instead try to bite it, just swallow. And
Да, которые вот здесь есть такая большая трубочка толстая, вот, и эти шарики, они так неожиданно попадают к тебе в рот, что, что да, сначала это странно так. Когда
you just try to swallow it instead bite or eating. And then no problem. Just ignore. Like bad comments, just ignore it. I just say that in Philippines, different between sea and river, it's different. Yeah, it's in temperature especially because in a sea, usually you swim when it's low level of water and you can easily to stay there, and it's super warm. It's like hot sometimes, but in a river it's colder, and I don't know how for you, but for me it's super comfortable. It's like 20-24 degrees, and I was wow, oh, so relaxing. Especially when we cross all this difficult in our path. It's for me. It's especially I start feeling like my temperature is growing, and every time we put in a new this how it's called, it's pool for water, and it's like oh my god, it's like shh. So, yesterday was a perfect day. We spent together with Boris and Darlin time together in Waterfalls. It's a really wide place where have no tourists, and sometimes you need to cross and swim on water to go in some upper side of waterfalls. It was interesting, a bit dangerous. Yeah, I was a bit nervous because I'm out of feet, and it was, yeah. But it was nice. It was really nice. I spent my time very cool, and I hope I will back in Davao again and meet with Darlene and Boris again. And I hope we spend time so fun again. And yeah, I don't know what I can say. It was amazing. Someone maybe don't like the stuff like that, but for me it was really nice. Today, a last day in Davao, and I decided to visit it. So I don't know. I have no idea what I can see there, but I just know that in Mindanao there's some crocodiles, and that's all. So we'll see how it's cost, what animals, reptiles, or whatever we have in the zoo. But Mindanao, it is the second by area island in Philippines, and Davao it's a very big city, so I suppose it should be something interesting there. Let's go. I decided to ride a bit just without target, and want to show you that's just a typical architecture in Philippines. It's what's happened when you see real Philippines houses, just like that, and you ride in, but on the opposite side you will see this. It's a beautiful sea and the mountains in the far with the clouds. It's amazing.
150 po your change and your ticket, sir.
Oh,
Kindly give this to the guard po, sir.
okay, no problem. Thank
Enjoy
you.
po.
Salamat po. Good morning. It's for you. Кожа крокодила.
Интересно. Сейчас вам супер черепашку покажу. Мистер Антонио Луна. Такой лапа, если даст, то все. Поминай, как звали. Что за скульптура? Непонятно. Привет. Алло. Я для него неинтересный. Таких он видел вагон. Еще один герой филиппинский. Был президентом Тагалога. Ну и наконец, то, ради чего я сюда и шел. Куча крокодилов. So what I can say, in Davao Crocodile Park have a lot of crocodiles. It's have small, big, any, I don't know, it's maybe hundreds crocodiles. The most interesting that have a albinos crocodile like that. It's alone for hundreds. So I'm going there and watch some big area without anybody, and I don't understand what is this. And then I see this guy, this really big, huge crocodile. I don't know how long it is, maybe 3-4 meters. So this guy really huge, but he just sleeping. So from my back you can do a photo with a snake. I don't will do that because I don't like snakes. But my son is Slonia, he really like it. And when we was in Bohol, it's have an exotic park, and we was 3 times there. Like every day we just ride from Panglao to exotic park because he liked to sit with them, touch them. So go and do a video. So everything is fine, but have one problem. My camera is over hot sometime, and I will need to wait before I can continue filming and record video. Yeah, I can say that it's a really huge zoo, but it's interesting. Yeah, highly recommended to visit it if you will be in Davao. So my visit in Crocodile Park now it's end. I go to take my bike. So it was good. I suppose everybody who visited Davao should visit it because it's cost like $5 or €5 plus $1 for feeding fish. So yeah, again, highly recommended. I crossed the road and now on another side. From my back it's sea, and we can look. So yeah, maybe it's not as the best view in the world, but for me it still looks nice, really nice, and I really want one day have the same view, watch it every day. I like sea, I like water. I think I will write in a hotel and start preparing to move in on next location. See you on Negros. Bye.